Everyone packed up and ready to go?
Sure am. Yup, you betcha.
I don't get why I can't go on this trip. They need me. How can I look after the horses when they're miles away?
The kids are old enough to take good care of the horses by now. Besides, that campsite is a long while away. Not a bucket of slop to be found for miles. I hope they get lost for a while. Maybe then we'll have...
Past the gate. But I'm not sure that's gonna make it past the gate.
But I'm not sure that that's gonna make it past the gate.
Oh, well...
Yep.
Yeah?
You're no fun.
And what have we here?
And what have we here?
2-day supplies. Just like you said, Will. We are so prepared.
You look a little over-prepared to me.
You look a little over-prepared to me.
You must be kidding.
You must be kidding.
Where are you planning to plug this?
We're planning to plug this.